Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to take money out of the Trust wallet. So if you have Bitcoin, BNB, BUSD or any other currency in the Trust wallet, how you can take money out of the Trust wallet. Watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you, do subscribe to my channel. So let's suppose you have Bitcoin in your Trust wallet. You want to withdraw it from your Trust wallet. So how you can do it? First of all, you have to open your Trust wallet and you have to select the currency you want to withdraw. So let's suppose I have Bitcoin right here. Simply click on it. Once you will do it, here you will see two options, send and receive. Simply you have to click on the send, and right here you have to enter the address of the Bitcoin from the other exchange or from the other wallet. Let's suppose you want to withdraw your Bitcoin to the Binance. Simply you have to open your Binance and copy the address. Once you will do it, here you have to paste the address, and right here you have to enter the amount you want to withdraw in your Binance or the other wallet. So once you will enter it, simply click on the continue, and once you will do it, your money will be withdraw from your Trust wallet. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.